Hey everybody, welcome to Scarlet's Journey. I'm Josie and this is my 12-week-old puppy, Scarlet. She's an F1B Goldendoodle. She just had a bath and I'm just about as wet as she is, but this week I'm going to try to condition her to some grooming. She's about that age where she's going to start needing at least a puppy trim. So I've bought this grooming table and I've got an Andis 5-speed trimmer. I'm not going to use it today, but I am going to turn it on and let her hear it and, you know, feel the vibrations. But I do comb her out after a bath. So, Scarlet, good baby. So I've just got some dry kibble that I'm going to use for her and see if I can just get her to set, you know, kind of quietly for me while I give her little pieces of kibble. Good girl. Good girl. She's not tangly or anything. She still has that real soft puppy fur, but I want to be able to manage her, you know, when she gets bigger. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. I put this table up against the wall because I was afraid that she might get all squirrely and try to jump off on me. I need to teach her the stand command. We haven't done that yet, so that she can stand for me. Normally after a bath I just sit her on the floor and comb her out, but I want to be able to get her used to standing for this. Let's go. Yes, good girl. Good girl. She likes to have her neck rubbed. Does that feel good? Good girl. Good girl. But I didn't plan to do too much with her today. Just let her get the feel of this table and the feel of the clippers. Hopefully I can condition her to accept it and be okay with it. She's got so much puppy energy in her. Okay. Yes. You're a pretty girl. So I'm going to turn these trimmers on, and I've got it on the lowest speed, and just see what she thinks. I'm just going to let her hear it. Yeah, it's okay. That vibration. Try to associate good things with grooming, like treats. Just gonna let her hear this and feel it. Kind of get used to that vibration. Good girl. So I thought maybe I'd cheat a little bit with peanut butter too. Good girl. Not only do treats work well for a reward, but so does peanut butter. May have to rewash your face though, huh? Yes, good girl. Good girl. It's alright. It's not hurting you. Yes, good girl. So that's my plan going forward, is to condition her to tolerate this grooming table, to let me do what I need to do. Because I plan to do this myself and not have to take her to a groomer. Today it's all about conditioning. Good girl, yes. Good girl. Good girl. So that's it for today, guys. We're going to keep working on conditioning, and hopefully it'll get easier as she gets older and settles down a little bit. So until next time, we'll see you again on Scarlet's Journey. Go ahead. Come on, let's go. Come on. Scarlet, come. Good girl. Scarlet, stay. Scarlet, come. Good girl. Good girl. Scarlet, sit. Yes, good girl. Scarlet, down. Yes, good girl.